In the heart of Evergreen Valley, a gigantic mountain cradled an enormous secret. Legend had it that deep inside the mountain, a colossal giant named Grog slept soundly. Grog had been in a magical slumber for 1,000 years, with a snore like rolling thunder. Every night, his roaring snores echoed through the valley, creating tremors that rattled cottages. Farmers lost sleep, critters were startled, and children wouldn't dare play outside after sunset. One night, a brave young girl named Lily decided she'd had enough. With her lantern in hand, she ventured towards the mountain to discover the source of the ruckus. Inside the dark cavern, she found the enormous Grog, nestled among ancient treasures. She whispered softly into his ear, "Grog, your snoring keeps the valley awake." The giant stirred, opening one sleepy eye, and smiled warmly at Lily's courage. Realizing the trouble he'd caused, Grog promised to snore quieter and share his wealth with the valley. From that night on, Evergreen Valley slept peacefully, and their lives flourished with Grog's gifts.